Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Asembi ashasiye se etwegu social media na nini na ejina Stacey Ofe ne maame say interview bia wokọ ekoyeye na atese amansem we nyina epiepie mesre ende your very first time wa subscribe na click the notification bell on the so and no and that screen so no oye the latest news we about wonsa ebeka yankon nsem ni mu two sides ni na wo bia can story different stories na yebebo so ne yeboso wi a Ghana for yesre yebe ready adwentre on this particular matter eye owuo ene yede to nipa so onim se menzo melodies dey say yede owuo to nipa so a eye amempeke side because se uni ho na wo bi beka se we ene ekun we ana we a wo wu ye we nsa wom na wu ni ho a the best you can do is just report on it and go. And now if you report on it, read the comments on it and go. Uni ho you can't say and the person nipa we ye say and the person nipa we ye say. Now, say me name munya mo bekaya. I think it was 2 years ago I stand to be corrected. 2 or 3 years ago. 2, I think 2. I still stand to be corrected though. And now mami bi yete say mami bi we fe no Stacey Ofe. I think so. I think so. Now, ye kra no na Ghana for bebre na enim no. Na later Kennedy Japan kan dey asem ne bae. Na nini na Dr. Obinfo munya mo be kai sa asem ne ma Dr. Obinfo na so ebe ye hye e wo man we mu ye de to ne so se we ku nipa na sa maame na Dr. Obinfo ko ye no operation a wo fam bu ye no sa maame no wo ne Kennedy Japan e wo ba inti say wo bu ye na Kennedy Japan ba bo nti be blow alarm and ma police for ko che Dr. Obinfo na asem ne be blow ye me se sa asem ne me kai Ghana for over 2 weeks. Na sa asem no ye di ho nkomo na de ete ye ne se maame no na ose na motue mo se de na aye kese na eni se Dr. Obinfo so de o ye oba na akọ ne ho se ebia obebi sebe adosrade a obetumi atwe fi ho e de ebegu ebia woboso ana sebe woto ama eno na eya amba no wo mo ye moyisha monina no wo mo aka say yes eya de a wo mo ye no no intiane ne eti ye se wo koyi srade afi na motuem ena ebae se wewu ena nsem ne bae 2 years on maame na ba betena radio so kan nsem ana ye kra ye nim na maame no wono de wo se ne ba no ye kun no na wabodin ama wabodin na akofra Reverend Owusu Bempa. Yes, wabodin akofra Reverend Owusu Bempa. Say Reverend Owusu Bempa had a hand in letting ono ne ba no Dr. Obinfo ne ho because edu baby no kra no utumi hu say say na ne ba no onyan nka onko biom but Reverend Owusu Bempa na tre say woni ne yere na say woni ne gya ne former wife no ni ne gya no na tre say wo moye ya atwe Stacey Dr. Obinfo ho nti say wo ka wo bodin say yekun ne ba na what the Reverend Owusu Bempa ebe indirectly that's what the woman is trying to say. Hey, me tia say na me say hey na say me ni na Reverend Owusu Bempa so fa he but obi na wo ka na asem uni ho obe ne den say hey asem we there allegation we there because unim say me there say ye de ensema kese say tu nipa so pa eya na me mpene inti no maame ne ka asem ne wie ye no na e wo se Reverend Owusu Bempa so oba ebeyi ne ho ano etiefo ensem a Reverend Owusu Bempa so ka no a different story altogether. Different story altogether. Reverend Owusu Bempa say wono ewe he wo de maame ne kwan o se da bi won fa maame ne nko Obinfo lady no we wu no ne maame kra kan ya ma ne maame kan say embra Dr. Obinfo kun lady no ono ne maame na jo se wokoye Dr. Obinfo hot sa time na Dr. Obinfo afre Reverend Owusu Bempa matre se wo mo ahyehye nyama bi on be ye ho tre se wo allegation na atiefo enye easy allegation na maame di to Reverend Owusu Bempa so and Reverend Owusu Bempa so side of the story no the work can say wo say enya sa neti na wono usu bempa ni mom kra na day na lady na aye na adwen se wokoye operation no reverend usu bempa nya vision because no onim lady no ene ne mame aba besra wono reverend usu bempa pen into no reverend usu bempa kra na nya vision se sa day no lady no bekwa akoye eye friend saying surgery amalewu into reverend usu bempa se wono mom kra na free lady ne sa day train se nyankopon ya atrem se wokoye surgery wan hwe ya wo bewu nti men konkoye eno se lady ne dia so odin eno koye na wokoye no say sa ena lady no kra kwa katre obenfo reverend ozu ben pastor ni o lady no kowie na lady no kra kwa katre obenfo se surgery amebeye reverend ozu ben pakra sei ena reverend ozu ben passe obenfo kra katre lady no se se reverend ozu ben pen ho aka dia enya men ye surgery ni biom reverend ozu ben passe story awo kan no o se reverend ozu ben pa enhu aka katre dia men ye surgery ni biom ena lady no ka so okay ono de wo nya biom and I see doctor before one lady ne sanso be man pressure say surgery no dey here because my friend other pastors mama bompaye amame into the surgery ne ye into lady ne cry na dey pressure to obinfo so e ma obinfo sanso be here surgery no e ma ebe mu ma lady ne ewu ye so reverend osu bempa so side of the story ne so no so see wonu de woni hwe mama me lim bebo ni din wonu reverend osu bempa fa lady ne nko be dia e onu mom onu reverend osu bempa mom and of lady ni train say we beto menko na lady ni dia so odin akwa akoto no aden ye bebo reverend osu bempa wonu ni din etiefo asem ni nani. I have given you both sides of the story. Whoever you want to believe, please. Now you see once sometimes asem be to me ba uhune say ebia asem way Dientia entiasie enye adwuma ne say ebia there was a miscommunication somewhere. Assembly to me ba unhu sa. But in this particular matter, who say both cases near masa. Both sides ni na no say e complete say ba ko na e twantro. Me de minim de o twantro no because ba ko e tre say we e no frɛ me ba ne de ne koye. Ba ko so tre say me frɛ oba ne de ne koye. Mi mo na me frɛ no e ka tell me say wo be ko bebi na mo nko e no no akoye ti men fa be hye to me say completely we any miscommunication completely ba ko twantro ba ko de intro e to ba ko so ene de e da ho ma me read the comments from some Ghanaians in asem ni na no na ma hye da abo ne tofa amamo no e na ma hye da abo ne nti ma me ne de wo tre say Kennedy Japan de woni mi nsem we ni na asemo a maame no wono eka no but maame mbo maame read the comment a Ghana for pass on this particular matter because me there asem we pass me pick a side oboa because masa owuo ho asem ne eka me ntse sa nkrofo na easily ne de owuo eto nkrofo so no easily ne de owuo eto nkrofo but you see saa de we ni na I have this message for Reverend Osu Bempa. Sadie we ni na no, I think the Reverend Osu Bempa should learn from it. Because you on my way mu, we see how easily Reverend Osu Bempa accuses people like and let me to me abodi to say John Dramani Mahama, o to me the owo eto ne so, o to me the nsemboni bi eto Mahama so. We wu ayese Mahama. Inti ende, o de ayamfa ne se maame no e twantro ato Reverend Osu Bempa so. Yamfa ne se maame ni twantro ato ne so. Se maame ni twantro ato ne so I think say Reverend Osu Bempa in a way is feeling how it is. Say ye di owo eto nipa so senia ete. But Matrel, I am not picking sides on this matter. I asem keke na America. I know a lot of people will not be happy with the example I gave. It is your own problem. I have said what I have said. Now let's go and read the comments people are passing on this particular matter. OBC, we say good about the dead. Following someone's husband is something good your daughter should do. She followed money. Now you want to talk into Obi and a walk at mamene because mamene kasano what can I say or church and say musenia Kennedy Japan ebe shia ne ba no a wone ne ba no ewo ye ne sanyama ni na no but once that matter is not the matter we are talking about. Indiana man shut down boss no. I just gave you a brief. Who go take interview, a mini interviewer, be 1 hour long. But me to me 5 hours 1 hour interview no embrem ntino asem no and I'm about the tougher in just about 10 minutes na media bremo no. Inti no comment na will be air pass no. Obi so say the lady is no more. So who should we believe now? Only God Almighty knows the truth. And according to the Obahima, Tracy met or Stacy met Obinfo's wife in campus. So why Mr. Owusu Bempeh's name is in now? There is no smoke without fire. It may be some political party behind this, just to disgrace Mr. Owusu Bempeh because of politics. It will be so that say political party be and maybe I got time I mean Emma wo mo pese wo mu gu Reverend Owusu Bempeh anymore ase. And also near some will be eka. Me say I will not say anything on this matter. Me dey me ngahe. The American Amakano. Me say, so same way, Reverend Owusu Bempeh, he should just learn from it. As simple as that. I will say, was here, I gave him no one say, Udi owo air to nipa so enye easy, sir. Because Ghana has a yeti, the antropho person motiane bad story, bad news, something bad. Hey, don't show proof, they will believe it. Ghana, sir, yeti. What say, this should be a lesson to all ladies. Let's appreciate our natural bodies. As someone will be so canon. I say our ladies should learn some lessons from this. True love have nothing to do with shape. If a guy loves you, no matter how your shape is, our sister wanted to look more attractive to get prize. But where is she now? Obinso asem, what do you preaching? No. Obinso say, hey Reverend, this story you are giving there. And also you'll be asem. Obi say this is a bullock doctor with no head. Arrest need to be made immediately. You can reduce fat not by surgery, but by slimming exercise. Inti obi nso asema wode eba no no etiefo. Mesremo. Montre mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo medase.